This was a Toll Brothers model home that's now available to purchase. It comes fully furnished with 5 beds, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, as well as a 3-car garage. Let's take a look at what it looks like inside. You have the stonework on your fireplace going all the way up to the ceiling with wood beams and this large chandelier. We have these large sliding glass doors, and above you have windows casting natural light across the whole space. This is the Kenney Spanish model, and with this home you get all of the furnishings as well as the artwork throughout the home. Plenty of space underneath for your legs as you sit on the stools and hang out talking around the kitchen space. In this luxurious kitchen on the waterfall edge, you have hidden outlets that go flush. Trash pullout on the left, large single basin sink, dishwasher on the right. Over here is your upgraded range top with 6 burners and an updraft above. Up here is your microwave with double ovens beside and your walk-in pantry next to it. Over here you have your coffee bar area and your fridge that's flush with the cabinetry. Over here, you have your wine room. With a cooler down below and plenty of storage space. Off of the entryway is the media room with a wet bar over here. Above your couch, you have this artwork and a textured wall with built-in speakers on either side of the TV. Cabinetry below. Continuing down the hall is a hall walk-in closet and the front bedroom. All of the furnishings come with the room. Flowing into the ensuite bath with a step-in shower and tile all the way up to the ceiling. And on the opposite side is the walk-in closet. Let's go back out. Over here, we have your bud style space with a bench, storage below, and hooks for your clothes. In here is your 2-car garage, and then that flows into the laundry room with a sink, plenty of cabinet space, your Whirlpool washer and dryer, art on the other side. This laundry room also connects to the primary suite's closet. We'll wrap around the other way and take a look. Off of the main living space, here's the study. Artwork along the walls, shelving built in, along each side of this large window that looks out to the backyard. Opposite the study is the hall half bath. Continuing down the hall is the primary suite. Wood paneling and exposed beams along the ceiling with a large chandelier, as well as a large view out to the backyard, including the water feature. On the opposite side is the entrance to the primary bathroom. Split vanities, as well as a large soaking tub. Wow, this one's actually big enough for me. That's impressive. Anyway, over here is the step-in shower with a rain shower head above and a bench all the way along the side. Around the corner is the linen closet, flowing into the primary closet, which goes all the way down here. Space for a bench, plenty of built-in floating drawers, clothes racks all around. This home comes fully furnished, so you get the bench as well. This then flows back into the laundry room. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs off of the landing is a full bathroom. Tile in the shower space up to the ceiling. Flowing into the first bedroom. Walk-in closet here. That continues out this way. Out to this main upstairs living space, game room, plenty of things you can do with this. Over here could be a large linen closet, or it could be a space to store your games. This house does come fully furnished. The only thing that it doesn't include is this piano, but other than that, you get the rest of it. This space continues over here. The nice size window bringing in natural light as you hang out on the couch and watch TV. Let's continue down the upstairs hall. Along the stairwell, you have these designer lights, as well as stonework all the way up with exposed wood beams. Along the walkway, you have natural light coming in from the entry, as well as your main living space. Then around here, is the next upstairs bedroom. Nice natural light coming in, flowing over to the full bathroom. Tile all the way up to the ceiling. And into the walk-in closet with a window above bringing in natural light. Let's go outside. Take a look at this spectacular outdoor living space with a waterfall design of the countertop for your outdoor kitchen area, with your grill, storage drawers, your fridge, take a look at the patio furniture. This nice color to your wood table, tying in with your chairs. Out to your seating area, next to this fire feature with a pergola overhead. There's a second outdoor kitchen space, second refrigerator, more cooking space. Currently, there's a protector over your outdoor television. More cooking space. Over this way, you have your turf lawn area over to this water feature. This is really nice, providing that relaxing water sound. If this home interests you, this includes all of their upgrades, being a model home previously. Get in now while you can get this limited time opportunity. Reach out and let's make it yours. This fully featured master plan community is minutes away from major attractions, such as the PGA Golf Course, the Star, the Universal Kids Resort, and so much more.